everyone, and thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, it would be much appreciated. So let's jump into our topic, which is the switch statement. Open up your Eclipse program, then come here to the Package Explorer, create a new Java project, let's name it Lesson 8. Then you can go to the source, create a new package, like always. Create our main class and main method. Close any previous projects. And here we are. The switch statement is similar to the if-else statement that we learned in the previous video. So if you did practice a little bit and became familiar with it, with the if statement, you won't have any problem learning the switch as well. So let's declare let's make a variable, an int variable, integer variable, int month, and then we can also set the value of 3. Then we can make another variable, string month string. So, do you remember about string? String is a class, not a primitive type, and its value is a text in quotes. No numbers, no true or false, just text. So, then we can start the switch statement, switch month. I will write it first and then I will explain it to you. So, case 1, month string goes to January, break, then you have case, let's do it so, case 2, one string February, break, then case 3, month string maths, then break again, and let's make a case 4, month string, we will give it the value of April. Then we would say default else month string equals other month, not one of the first 4. Then we will come out of this statement and we will print out our month string. So let me explain it. We start by declaring the variables. We declare a variable month here, which we will use to our switch statement. So we say that we will create a variable month and we will give it a value between 1 and 12, between January and December. So you write switch, and in parentheses you write this variable. Then you open the brackets and you say if switch, if this is true, then if it has a value of 1, then do that. The break is that stops the code here. This part of code is stopped. Then you say if the value is 2, then do that. If the value is 3, do that. If the value is 4, do that. Else, if the value is not 1, 2, 3 or 4, else, do that. And then when we are ready, our variable here has a value, and then we print out to the system this value. So in our case, if we write 3, if we give our month the value 3, it is practice that here. You say 3 here. So let's see it happen. Match. Why did we take the outcome match? Because you say switch 3 and the switch switches. If this is true, if this is not true, then go further. If this is not true, go further. If this is true, do that. This is true because we gave it the value of 3. So if we give it the value of 3, what do we take in return? That our variable, which we didn't give it a value here. Do you see it? String, month string, without a value. It's not declared. But here we say that our variable will take this value. So if we print it now, we'll take something in return. If we give it the value of 8, which is not 1, it is not 2, it is not 3, and it is not 4, then what do you expect that we will take back? Other month, not one of the first 4, because we say if our exception is this one, our expression is this one, so we say we give it the value of 8. We give it the value of our month 8, and we say if this is true, then do that. 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 Else, if nothing of the above is true, default, do that. So this is pretty much everything about the switch statement. It sounds a little bit of confusing, but if you practice it a little bit, it is not that confusing. We will make some challenges together using the if-else statement and the switch statement so that you can feel comfortable using them. If you have any questions, feel free to write them on the comment section below or send me a direct message. Make sure not to miss the week's challenge. Thank you all for watching.